It's day zero. It's the calm before the storm, if you will. Over the next 30 days on my YouTube channel, I want to do something interesting. 30 days, 30 critique sessions. Now, I do these every single month on F64 Elite, probably critiqued over 3,000 images, and that's not an exaggeration. What do I do with this stuff, though? Well, I talk about what works, what doesn't work, how to make it better in Photoshop, all the while focusing on vision and trying to make a better connection for that photographer and their viewers. That's what my critiques are in a nutshell. I do them all the time on F64 Elite, and I never share them here on YouTube. So I figured, why not shake things up a little bit and show you what happens over there? Why 30 days and 30 critique sessions? Well, I got some inspiration from a young man named Ryan Trahan. See, Ryan did this thing called 50 Days, 50 States, 50 Airbnbs, and it was an incredible series to watch with my children. I picked it up on like day 20. They were watching it all up until day 20, and then I'd walk past and I'd be like, what are you guys watching? What are you guys watching? And then it became a family event where we all just sat down together to watch Ryan on his trip. It was a lot of fun, but what I really loved about it was he had a huge heart for St. Jude and wanted to raise $1 million for St. Jude, ended up raising $11.5 million. Absolutely incredible. But the great part was just seeing the community come together in a positive way. There is so much negativity in the world, all right? We don't need that anymore. We need some positive stuff here. So what I'm going to do is show you how critiques can be done positively on the F64 Academy YouTube page with F64 Elite member images. So where am I going to get these images from? These images are coming from F64 Elite members. They're already used to getting their images critiqued on F64 Elite, but they're going to be seeing their images critiqued here on YouTube as well. What I'm also going to do, though, is at the end of every one of these episodes is I'm going to showcase one Elite member who's just crushing it with their vision and their work. So these are real submissions from real people. I'm picking them completely at random, and there'll be a new one every single day for 30 days. And we start tomorrow. If you're an F64 Elite member, you already are very well aware of what my critique style is like. If you're not, then you're going to see a brand new way of things being critiqued on the internet. I've seen far too many people who call themselves photo educators who critique images, and sometimes they're just rude, they're mean, they talk down to the person that submitted the image, they inflate their ego as if they shouldn't even be looking at that image, and it's really kind of absurd because if you're somebody who is submitting an image for critique, you want someone to handle that with care. If you don't handle critiques with care, you could essentially deflate somebody's passion. They could be so happy about what they've produced, and then they get a critique from someone who's rude and arrogant to them, and it can either make them reject that person's critique altogether, even if they had valid advice, or it could make them never want to do art ever again. Trust me, I know. Some people know this about me, some don't, but I went to a highly prolific art program at the University of Delaware, and there were some great instructors who gave phenomenal critiques, and then there were some pretty arrogant professors who would even walk on your work if they didn't like it. Yeah, it was that bad. So when I started F64 Elite, I swore that I would never give a critique that would deflate somebody's passion for photography. There will be a twist every single day. Now, I'm hoping that the YouTube community comes together to help me with this twist. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking submissions for you to alter how the next critique session is going to be. Yes, there will be a twist with every critique session. And the twist that I'll use is the one that gets the most thumbs up in the comments section. So here's what I need you to do if you're watching this series. You can even start right now on day 0, okay? Put twist in your comment and then say something that will change how the next critique session happens the next day. That could be things like, don't say the word color in your next critique session, or don't use a curve in your next critique session. Whatever gets the most thumbs up is what's going to dictate what happens the next day for the next critique. I could be setting myself up for failure here, but I think that this will be pretty fun. Now, I very well could do this just as content that you see, But I also want this to help other people. While we learn and get inspired by the F64 Elite members that are going to be submitting their images, I would also like to give back to the art world. I found a charity called Give Kids Art, and I talked to them on the phone. These are some phenomenal people with a mission to put art supplies in the hands of children who otherwise wouldn't have the ability to create. And that is awesome. I can't imagine what my life would be like if I couldn't create. I started my art journey when I was about 6 or 7 years old. I'd wake up on Saturday mornings to watch the Saturday morning cartoons, which it's a shame we don't have that anymore. And Bob Ross would be there before all of the cartoons came on. And I would try so hard to follow along with him with my colored pencils. I had colored pencils at a very young age. I had art supplies at a very young age. And it was that stirred the passion inside of me to continue doing art my entire life. So I couldn't imagine what my life would be like without having art in my hands, but I know that there are kids out there that don't have the means to get art supplies in their hands. And that is where Give Kids Art comes in. So what I'm going to be doing here is for every subscriber that becomes a subscriber of the F64 Academy YouTube channel during these 30 days, I'm going to donate 25 cents to Give Kids Art. For every subscriber that joins my email list, I'm going to give 50 cents. And there is a big reason to join the email list, but let me finish. For everybody who becomes an F64 Elite member, a monthly member, I'm going to donate $4. And for anybody who becomes an annual F64 Elite member during this time, I'm going to donate $20. And if by chance you want to support Give Kids Art as well, you'll see a link in the description below where you can donate to Give Kids Art. So what do I need from you during this 30 days, 30 critiques? Well, I need you to give me a twist. So here's your call to action. Go in the comments section below, write the word twist, and be creative. Come up with something that will make my life challenging tomorrow for tomorrow's critique session. That's what I'm looking for. And while you're there, if you see a twist that somebody else put that you like, put a thumbs up there. That counts as a vote towards that twist. At the end of this video and also in the description, you're going to see a link to something called the Self-Critique Guide. I've been doing critiques for a very long time. And before this, I had never really put on paper how I think about these critique sessions. So what this self-critique guide will do for you is it'll give you an actionable method so that you can look at any of your images and critique them in a very similar way that I handle the critiques on F64 Elite. This will give you an opportunity to look much deeper at your work. And we're not talking about technicalities here. I'm talking about asking the right questions so that you can get the right answers from your vision and apply them to your work. And it's all going to happen through that self-critique guide. So again, anybody who enters their email there, that's 50 cents towards Give Kids Art. So what I'm hoping at the end of all of this is that we can amass a $6,400 donation that will go to Give Kids Art. So if you watch this and say to yourself, man, I would really love to see if I can get one of my images critiqued, become an F64 Elite member today, and you can enter your image into the pool and know that the money that you put forth for your membership is also going to put art in kids' hands. All right. Day 0. It all starts to get crazy tomorrow. I can't wait to see what you're going to put in the comments section below. The donation clock starts now, so if you haven't done so already, subscribe, comment below, and download that self-critique guide. I think you'll really enjoy it. I have no idea what I got myself into.